Eric Lee. Welcome back to VictorEric Design+Build. We are bringing you another BTS video behind the scenes to one of our renovations that we're doing right now in the West Side of Vancouver. This one is a single family home converted to a duplex for a family and their son. Let's come in and check it out. All right, welcome back to VictorEric Design+Build, and like I said, this is another behind-the-scenes tour of a major renovation that we're doing for a client in West Side Vancouver. This client's very unique. They've owned this house for quite a while now, the parents themselves, and the son is now moving back in. So we're creating a duplex situation here. We're taking a single-family home and we're redividing it into a duplex so that the son, the elder son, can on one side and the parents will be on the other side. Let's go in and see what this construction's about. I'm standing right now in the master suite where we completely punched the ceiling up, so it's gonna be gorgeous. And that over there is the walk-in closet and the ensuite once it's done. Big sliding pocket doors there. Okay, so this is the basement here. What we did was in the old part of the house, that was the original ceiling height. We didn't dig down to raise the house or anything like that. It wasn't allowed. But what we did do was gave the majority of this section here a new foundation wall. So these are all new foundations or walls. We had to temporarily hold up the joists so we can build a foundation wall. Because of that, we can dig down lower here. Unlike the front part here, where they had a existing ceiling height that they had to work with, and we basically just kept that the way it is. That's why that's a little bit shorter, but it was only in that front corner. Everywhere else around the house, we did update the foundation wall. Also, XPS insulation, really warm, dimple membrane outside for water tightness. So we did upgrade this completely, including the perimeter drainage outside. It used to be the old clay tiles. All right, so this section here, you can see the ceiling height is very low because this was the existing house part of it before the addition. Just want to show you the old floorboards and the old beams. We upgraded where we need it for structure. So that's a new engineered beam that we did. And that whole section there is existing foundation, that's why it's so short. But where we added it, we built a brand new foundation that is deeper, and that's why you'll see that there's a few steps going down. And the difference here is, of course, now it's much taller and you have a new foundation here. So on the side here, you can see that we put a whole brand new foundation with dimple membrane and perimeter drainage and everything else. That is new plywood, which is the addition of the house, and this is existing part of the house, so you can see the difference. And it's an extensive reno, which has a lot of upgrades to it. So like I said, the foundation is brand new with the perimeter drainage. Actually, you can see the old drain tile there, the old clay tiles. That's what they used to. That's what they used to have around the house. But we've upgraded that completely, so now they're watertight and not a concern at all. What we're doing here is we're digging up for the storm sewer. This is the storm sewer that they're prepping here, and that is the sump pump right there. You can see here the old foundation wall where we added the black dimple membrane and also upgrade the white perimeter drainage. This is the existing fireplace there, the fireplace chimney that we're keeping. There's completely new plywood here for the sheeting. We ripped out all the old boards. Well, maybe a small 10% is still left, but we really upgraded everything wherever possible. This is gonna feel like a brand new house when we're done with it. I hope you liked that video, and I hope it gave you some ideas if you're doing renovations yourself. One tip is to keep in mind, especially when you get to a large scale renovation like this, is to align yourself with a good designer or a contractor, or ideally, if you don't want to mess with the hassle of dealing with the in-betweens, find a design build company like us. We're happy to give you some free consultation and advice, so reach out to us at VictorEric.com. And if you've just found us, then please hit the subscribe button, and we'll bring you more of these videos.